The nice thing about the Ghost Immobiliser is the fact that you don't have to carry a tag, you don't have a remote. All you have is your factory key, and that's all you've got to carry with you. So if I jump in now, I'm going to try to start the vehicle. And as you can see, it will not start, even though I've got an authorised key to actually start the vehicle with. So that also means is that if somebody's cloned this remote, they also won't be able to start the vehicle, or if they're plugged into the OBD port and try to get around it that way, they're still not going to be able to start the vehicle. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to enter the code. Which I've just done now. And now I can actually start the vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle now starts. What I've done, I set a default code so the customer could actually see how it works. And what we do with the customers is basically set a code that they want, and they could program their own unique code to actually get the vehicle started. It's really simple to use, and that's all you have to do. This is a Range Rover Sport, and the Range Rover Sport, I believe at the moment, is one of the top 5 vehicles that's actually being stolen in the UK at the moment. So additional security, I really do think is necessary for a vehicle like this. So what we fitted here is the Ghost Immobiliser, and that's secure in this Range Rover Sport.